A big challenge the government sector has, across all levels of government, I think, are really trying to improve customer centricity and or citizen centricity in this case. So they're not commercial enterprises. It's not about commercial excellence for them, but I think they're very much aware, especially the most leading countries, like, for example, Singapore, in the GCC area. It's going to be places like Dubai and the UAE. They're all trying to set the new benchmark for what great citizen experiences look like. Now, the challenge that they're having is that while they're providing a wide variety of services to citizens, which is every shape and size of a person in their location, how do they best facilitate those experiences, especially when they cut across different entities? So as an example is if someone has a child. Once you have a child, they need to have medical records and vaccinations. They need to be registered in the educational system. They might need to have a passport. They'll definitely need to have some kind of an ID. I've just mentioned 3 or 4 different entities, and it could go on further. But imagine as a new parent, you have to now download all of these new apps or go to all of these websites repeating the same information. And sometimes some of the information and uploading the same files time and time again. And it becomes very tedious and an onerous process for citizens to go through that. And so that's a big challenge in terms of service design. How can governments think about the lives of citizens? What are the big moments that they go through? And then really create better interfaces and experiences and journeys that facilitate and reduce anxiety for citizens and improve their happiness at the same time.